guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate for those of you who are new. So today's video I'm gonna do a what I eat in a weekend, and I've never done one of these videos before, so I'm super excited. I'm always interested in to see what people eat on the weekend rather than during the week, because for me the weekend I just kind of eat whatever, and during the week I kind of eat more clean than I do on the weekend, because on the weekend I'll have like ice cream, I'll go out to eat and stuff like that. So I'm always interested to see what other people eat on the weekend, and you guys can sort of see what else I eat besides only healthy things, I guess. So I'm super excited for this video. I just made some breakfast. I just made some avocado toast. Can't go wrong with avocado toast. I'm obsessed with toast. I just used some Dave's Killer Bread, a little bit of olive oil, and some everything bagel seasoning. I also have some orange juice. I've been in a weird orange juice phase, especially with my avocado toast. I love to have orange juice with it. But yeah, today is Saturday and this is my breakfast. Also making sure that I drink enough water for the day. I got this water bottle off of Amazon. I actually found this off of Caitlin Nolan here on YouTube. I literally love her. She's been like raving about this water bottle, and so I caved in and got it. It's literally so cute, so gigantic, and this has definitely been helping me drink more water throughout the day, and it's just the cutest thing in the world. So I will put it in the description if you want to twin, but it's so cute and I'm literally obsessed with this water bottle. I'm gonna have a little snack right now. I'm just gonna have a Go Macro bar. This is the dark chocolate and almonds flavor. I don't think I've actually ever tried this one. I just want to have something until I have some lunch. Me and Zach might go get lunch somewhere. We're not really sure yet, but I'm gonna have this as my snack. I'm gonna try it in front of you because I don't know if I've ever had this flavor before. I feel like all Go Macro bars, all the flavors are just so good. These are just like my favorite protein bars. Some people don't really like them because of the sugar, I guess, but I honestly don't really care. They're really good, so. We went to Ben & Jerry's and got ice cream after lunch. I got fish food and Zach got cookie dough. And we got the smallest size, and they literally give you like no ice cream. So sad. Small. We went to Joe's Waterfront in Boston. We both got burgers and fries for lunch, and then like I showed you, we went to Ben & Jerry's afterwards and got some ice cream. So that was our little lunch date. I don't really know what we'll have for dinner, but yeah, that was our lunch. Happy Sunday. So yesterday I didn't even end up eating dinner because me and Zach went to lunch kind of late. It was like 3 o'clock. We didn't even end up eating till like 3:30. We got some ice cream and it just ended up being like really late, and I was so full from lunch and ice cream that I just didn't even eat the rest of the day. I had like so much water yesterday too, so I think that's why I just wasn't hungry for dinner. So sorry that I didn't get any dinner content for you guys. I don't know if you can hear the rain or the thunder right now, but it's literally raining so hard. We're in the middle of a tropical storm. My house is so dark right now, and the quality of the camera is like really bad right now because the lighting is not the greatest. But it is currently Sunday morning. I just made some breakfast. I made toast and eggs. I did cinnamon, raisin, Ezekiel bread, and then I just did some eggs with salt and pepper. This is gonna be my Sunday breakfast, and I have my water, and I will see you guys the next time that I eat. Made a little post-workout smoothie. You guys are probably so sick of seeing this smoothie because I mentioned it in my last vlog, I think, and I just always rave about how good it is, and I post it on my food account all the time, which if you're not following, make sure you are following my food account. It's just so good. I'm gonna take a sip. So I do banana, spinach, mango, ice, almond butter, collagen, and protein powder, and coconut water for the base. And it's so freaking good. If you haven't tried it yet, literally go and try it because it's so good. So this is kind of like my lunch. I guess it's like 12:45 right now. Now that I'm filming all that I'm eating over the weekend, I feel like I don't eat as much as I do during the week, which is weird. Like, I feel like I haven't been eating as much as I do during the week. That's just like something that I've noticed while filming this. So this is kind of like my lunch snack type of thing because it's like almost 1 o'clock. But yeah, I don't know, I feel like I eat really weird on the weekends. Now that I'm filming, I like just realized that. But yeah, I'm gonna drink this and I will see you when I eat next. For a snack, I'm just gonna have a Go Macro bar again. This is the same one that I had yesterday. It's the dark chocolate and almond one, just until I have some dinner later. It's currently 3:30, so I'm just gonna have a little snack until I have some dinner. It's about dinner time now. It's like 6 o'clock and I'm having a pork chop for dinner that my mom actually made. So thank you, Mom. She does like a breadcrumb coating on the top and it's so good. And I'm also having some basmati rice and some corn on the side. I'm really in the mood for some ice cream too. So maybe and hopefully Zach will want to get ice cream after I have some dinner because he's actually out to dinner with his friend right now. And I'm hoping that they don't get dessert because I really want to get ice cream. Ice cream is like my weakness and I love getting ice cream on the weekends and especially in the summertime. It just makes me so happy and it's been such a crappy day out today. Normally we would have gone out to lunch or something like we did yesterday, but it's just been so gross outside. I just like didn't even go out today at all. But this is what I'm having for dinner and hopefully in the next clip I'm getting ice cream or having some type of dessert because dessert is my favorite meal of the day. This is the current situation for dessert. I'm gonna finish off this Halo Top ice cream. This is the red velvet kind. It's so freaking good. There's only like 1 serving left, so I'm just gonna finish it myself and watch some YouTube. I'm seriously in my element right now. I'm gonna watch some YouTube and just eat some ice cream in my bed because why not? So this concludes my what I eat in a weekend video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to treat yourself because on the weekends I always treat myself. Even throughout the week I treat myself. I have ice cream, I have cookies, I have cake. Everything in moderation is literally the secret to anything. So make sure you are treating yourself. You deserve it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and give me some more video ideas that you guys would like to see from me, and I will see you next time.